So we break Android here. So we are just like hours away from the official unveiling of the next beast from Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup launch event. Well, Samsung will officially unveil the Galaxy S22 series and the Galaxy Tab S8 series tomorrow during the live event, but the images and features of the upcoming smartphones and tablets were leaked ahead of the launch. And now, even marketing videos of the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra have been leaked. So here it is, official hands-on videos of the Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra and the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra were published by Dominic's Leaks on Twitter. Well, the videos shows the blue, green, pink and white versions of the Galaxy S22 and also smartphone's triple camera setup, ports and buttons are also displayed. So talking about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the bigger model, it can be seen in its black, red and white versions. While talking about the design specifically, it has a boxier design than the regular Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus. Since the smartphone also features a built-in S Pen, it is considered the true successor to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Like, it looks more like the Note 20 Ultra than the Galaxy S22 series. However, I really like the design. I used Note series a while ago, but I will definitely test this device. Moving on to the second video, which shows the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and its huge notched dynamic AMOLED 2X display. You can also see the bundled S Pen, which can be magnetically attached at the rear, well next to the camera setup, and also the leaked videos shows how users can use the Galaxy Tab S8 and the Galaxy S22 together for content creation. Moving on, Samsung's keyboard cover accessory for the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra can also be seen in the leaked video. The company may have also improved the multitasking experience on its high-end tablets that are expected to run Android 12 based on Samsung's UI 4.1 out of the box. Anyway, that is pretty much it. What's your first thoughts on the design and hands-on videos of the Samsung Galaxy S22 series? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.